I never imagined stillness could take me this far. Movement feels lighter when I am with her. Some movements don't start in the body. They begin somewhere deeper. And Bintan quietly moves my stillness toward you. Some places welcome you without asking who you are. My days keep moving. My heart takes its time. Conversations flow. Inside, something remains unspoken until something unexpected gently shifts the quiet. We weren't looking, yet something knew where to lead us. Her stillness isn't empty, it feels settled. That's when I start noticing my own. I didn't plan for this, but my attention did. Some movements don't interrupt life. They quietly continue it. Here, everything slows down, just enough. Golf doesn't ask for answers, it gives you space. You move at your own pace, nothing needs to rush. Around friends, thoughts loosen their grip. Sometimes a simple remark changes how you listen to yourself. And somehow, my quiet keeps finding her. At night, my thoughts become quieter and clearer. Timing doesn't explain itself, it just happens. Joy doesn't ask for meaning, only presence. Evenings soften everything we didn't say. Here, I understand why my heart stayed. Stillness doesn't disappear, it settles. Quiet rituals leave the deepest marks. Shared moments taste different. Movement feels easier when it's mutual. Once again, Bintan quietly notices. Some conversations don't need to be finished. more you see, the closer you feel, and somehow you draw me nearer. The heart remembers more than moments. This time, I'm not moving alone. Curiosity opens doors I didn't expect. In her smile, things feel simple. Bintan shows me that movement can be gentle. Some moments are meant to be let go. This night doesn't ask for certainty. It only asks to be felt. Bintan witnesses my stillness, my movement, and how two quiet paths find one destiny.